Display size. Google Pixel 8 is 6.2 inches. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 6.6 inches. Display resolution. Google Pixel 8 is 1080 into 2400 pixels, with 428 ppi density. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 1080 into 2340 pixels, with 390 ppi density. Display type. Google Pixel 8 is OLED. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Super AMOLED. Display protector. Google Pixel 8 is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Operating system. Google Pixel 8 is Android 14. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Android 14, One UI 6.1. Chipset. Google Pixel 8 is Google Tensor G3. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Exynos 1480. Processor. Google Pixel 8 is Nonacore processor. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Octa-core processor. GPU. Google Pixel 8 is Immortalis G715S MC10. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Eclipse 530. RAM. Google Pixel 8 is 8 GB. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 6 GB, 8 GB, and 12 GB. ROM. Google Pixel 8 is 128 GB and 256 GB. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 128 GB and 256 GB. Front camera. Google Pixel 8 is 10.5 MP ultra-wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 32 MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Back camera. Google Pixel 8 is 50 MP wide and 12 MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 50 MP wide, 12 MP ultra-wide, and 5 MP macro camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Google Pixel 8 is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Samsung Galaxy A55 is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Google Pixel 8 is 4,575 mAh battery, with 27 watt fast charging. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 5,000 mAh battery, with 25 watt fast charging. Spec winner. After physical test.